In this video, we're going to explore how you can use the array_from method in JavaScript. And the array_from method converts a string in JavaScript into an array value. However, with this, it creates with every character an element. That means that if you will have a word like from, there will be 4 values or 4 elements in the array. So let's start and explore this. So first of all, if you want to learn about Chart.JS, check out my Chart.JS course on Udemy. You can find the link in the description box. Alright, so let's start here. So for example, here we have an array value or a constant, and this constant is a string text equals, let's say here we have ABC. This is a string. And what we want to do now is we want to convert this existing string into an array. To do that, we're going to say here const new array or array value, anything you want to put in here as a constant. And in here, we're going to get the value, which is, first of all, we say array with capital A dot from. And in here, we put in the value. It could be a string, or in this case, just the constant string. It could be anything as well. You could also say here, hello test, for example. However, let's get our variable or constant that we already assigned. Get this semicolon here. And then in here we say console.log. And we're going to convert the new array into a string, or now we want to show it in the console log in the developer tab. So if we save this, refresh, you can see nothing happens here, but if you open up our developer tab, we can find here now in our console, we get one message. And what is our message? We get an array. In this array, if we refresh again, you will see here a nice breakdown, A, B, and C. So we have 3 elements in here, and this is the index numbers of them. So if you would, for example, now we say console.log, and we want to have only the specific element. Let's say in this case we want element number 3, which is index number 2. So we say here array2, save this, and now you can see we are now displaying the letter C, which is the 3rd element or the 2nd index number of this array. So we could also do here a basic text string. Hello, this is a test. Save that. As you can see here now, we get many values in the array, including the spaces. As you can see here, the space is becoming a array item as well, or an element in the array as well. So this is basically how you can use the array.from method to convert a string into an array. So if you have any questions regarding to this, put them in the comment section below. And if you like videos like this, exploring the basics of JavaScript, subscribe to my channel.